to install KFriends app. So if you want to install KFriends app, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, you need to open up your Play Store. If you're using your iOS device, you can go with your App Store. So after opening your Play Store, you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for KFriends. You will have the application right here, which is KFriends, make a Korean friend. Now, if you want to install this application, you can just simply tap on install and it will start the installing process. It might take a few seconds or a few minutes depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. So if you scroll down, then you'll have the information about the application. You can just simply go with the screenshots, and as you can see that you'll be able to talk with your Korean friends around the world. You can find friends at home. You can say hello quickly. You'll have the hobbies, interest. You can meet similar friends. You can chat freely using the auto translation function. So once the application has been installed, you will have the open button on the right side. So you just need simply tap on the open button and you will be able to create your account. You can go with sign up if you don't have an account, or if you already have an account, you can go with login. And after logging in, you'll be able to use the account. That's how you can download and install the application. And after installing, you can use it. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.